Welcome. Today, we will guide you on how to mark a group chat as read on Telegram with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open Telegram on your phone. Once you're in the app, locate the group chat that you wish to mark as read. Next, long press on the group chat you want to mark as read. This action will select the group chat and bring up additional options for managing the group. Now, locate and tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options for the group chat. Lastly, from the menu options, select Mark as Read. By choosing this option, you indicate that you want to mark the group chat as read, indicating that you have viewed the messages within the group. By following these simple steps, you can effectively manage your group chats on Telegram by marking them as read. This feature helps you stay organized and keep track of your group conversations. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to mark a group chat as read on Telegram. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your messaging experience.